Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to get the YouTube channel verified badge. So if you'd like to go ahead and have this verified badge over on your YouTube account, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to accomplish this is we actually need to be eligible for the application. Well, YouTube actually promotes the specific application form for you guys to have this verified check mark, but one of those specific eligibility requirements is to have 100,000 subscribers or more. Now, basically YouTube will reach out to you guys if you are qualified to have this verified badge, but of course you need to first be eligible to do so, and one of the eligibility requirements again is to have 100,000 subscribers. Now go ahead and just have that goal. Of course, be active on YouTube and keep on using the application, be an active content creator, and also connect with your audience. And once you are eligible, YouTube will reach out to you guys. And that is all for this video. That's all you guys need to know about getting the channel verified badge. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.